Hi, I'm Kim, one of the founders of RAIDLOG.com. Our team created RAIDLOG.com because we are career project managers just like you, and we wanted to find a better way to ensure that our projects were successful and to take some of the stress out of project management along the way. Before RAIDLOG.com, my team and I founded a consultancy which has implemented enterprise-class project management tools to over 650 different organizations of all sizes and across many industries. Unfortunately, what we found was that no matter how flexible the project management tool, they all had one major gap in that they didn't really help project managers effectively manage RAID logs. And that's a big problem because RAID log management is a key aspect of running a project and keeping it on track. And it's the go-to tool for rescuing a broken project. RAID management is critically important to all project leaders because projects don't go wrong because of your amazing project plan. Projects go wrong because of unmanaged risks, neglected action items, unresolved issues, and poor decision-making, RAID for RAID. And we saw over and over again project managers having to fall back to spreadsheets to manage their RAID logs. Because if they had a project management tool, it couldn't do a RAID log. Or even if their tool could do a little bit of RAID management, like maybe risks or issues, their organization did not buy licenses for everyone involved in the projects, just the PMs. So the PM has to fall back to a spreadsheet to collaborate with their team members, their subcontractors, and their customers to get the job done. And we also realized that the science and methods around RAID management really has not advanced much in decades. So we thought there's got to be a better way to manage RAID. Plus, it's about time we start advancing the art and science of keeping projects on track. And that's why we founded RAIDLOG.com. We wanted to take the best aspects of a spreadsheet-based RAID log and incorporate the best practices and develop new practices for RAID management, and then put all of that into a modern online application, leveraging the best technology we could find to build the best tool set for the people that work hard every day to make projects successful, project managers. Now, if you use RAID logs, you know how critical they are to running your project and for rescuing projects that are in trouble. And if you haven't used a RAID log yet, no worries, we've got you covered. We have tons of content, training videos, and even a book to help you get started. Our goal is to make RAIDLOG.com the ultimate tool to help project managers successfully run or rescue any project and to take some of the pain out of project leadership. Not only can you run your RAID log in RAIDLOG.com, but we will also be adding the ability to integrate with your other business systems like your PPM or scheduling tool, track changes, lessons learned, and external dependencies. Report and aggregate data across all your portfolios. Collaborate with unlimited project team members for free. And incorporate RAID items into your meeting minutes automatically. Perform advanced statistical analysis on your risks, issues, and contingencies. And in the months to come, we'll even be releasing an AI-based smart RAID log. The only way that we can make this the best tool for project managers is with your help. So join RAIDLOG.com today, use it to manage your projects, and join our community of project leaders who are working together to make all of our projects successful.